Oh, I know. Hey girls, I'm single. What is going on, you guys? Today I am back with another vlog. Today we are out on a massive hike. We found this giant waterfall. We are also here to explore this. It's a cave that goes in about 30 feet apparently. They led me here. It's gonna be pretty awesome, I think. Colton's gonna throw a rock in there just to make sure there's no cougars. Go for it. If something runs out at us, I swear. Okay, I'm ready to go. Whoa. You guys, this is sketchy.
Up here, so get walking a little faster, Colton. It's really what it is in this field.
Okay, I can't stand these mosquitoes.
Wow. Are you sure we went to the end of it?
No, the end is just right over there.
I don't think so.
Holy shit.
Less mosquitoes this way.
This is so cool. I don't know, man. This place is huge. This is like the forest.
Pretty, eh?
Yeah.
Oh! What did you do? Did you hit your head?
I did. If you come to British Columbia in Canada where we live, you can see all of this awesome stuff. So we're all done on the cliffs and in the caves. Christian just found a bird. So it's a baby, what'd you say? It's a baby robin?
It's like a baby robin, yeah.
Huh.
I know.
Is he cold?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, don't touch him.
He could be.
Find a warm rock
Is he
for him.
sick?
No.
I probably just fell over with nest.
If you touch it, Mama won't come back for it.
Should we take it with us?
No.
You sure?
Yep.
What'll happen?
Well, because the
If you
nest
touch
is
it-
somewhere over here.
And if you touch it, the mom won't come back for it.
He should be okay though, right?
Yeah.
Aw, he's so cute.
He'll be fine. As long as he's stable.
Oh, that's pathetic.
I'm gonna stand back. So we shot all that footage about 2 weeks ago and we did have to wait around for a while, but eventually the mama bird did come back. I couldn't get my camera out fast enough, unfortunately, and I didn't get it on video, but it was a happy ending after all for that bird. We should have shot more content for that video, but I didn't have my camera out very much because we were climbing so many rocks. But hopefully in the next video I will be getting quite a bit more footage. But that is it for this video, guys. I will hopefully be posting next Wednesday, so stay tuned for that. Like and subscribe below for more content, and once again, you guys, thanks for watching.